Okay, Ruthie takeoff.
All right, there's a lot of snow out here.
January 12th, 2011.
And we release the beagle. Ruthie! Come on, girl. Come on, Ruth.
Typical.
You can do it.
Go ahead, Ruth.
Come on, Ruth. Bailey's over there.
Go!
Go ahead.
Typical
There
of this
she
beagle.
goes. There she goes. Do a leap. Do a leap.
Go!
Do a leap. Go ahead. Come on, Ruth. Go do it. Come on.
Trying to film the beagle. Not that easy. Oh my God.
Oh, we got Bailey visiting.
Yeah, let Bailey come in. Oh, I don't know if we can get him in.
Why don't you come over here, okay? I don't think they can even open that door. No.
Where's the Bailey boy? Hi, Bailey.
Hi, buddy.
So cute. Hi.
This is our neighbor, Bailey. You go, Bailey.
Hey.
Okay, maybe not.
Don't even think about it.
Yeah, good luck with that, Bob.
I know. Here, right now. Let's not have a repeat of the other day.
That's a good boy.
Oh, I know.
Oh, he was an honored guest the other day.
I heard that.
Yeah.
I heard that.
Go ahead, Ruth. Scamper. Scamper through the snow, buddy. Ruthie cannot get up on the step.
Okay, why don't you come here?
This poor dog needs a little help. Okay, buddy. Brett, look at this beagle. She can't get up. Oh, okay, there she goes. She's like, I'm out of here.
Come on, buddy. Come on.
Ruthie, what do you say? You want to try it again? Bring her on out, Brett. Let's see what happens.
Let's go, girl. Come on. She's like, come here, girl. Come on. You can do it.
Go ahead.
Come on. Come on in with me. Come on.
Go ahead, Ruth. Ruth is shivering.
She doesn't want to come.
This beagle could care less.
Ruthie!
Come on, Ruth. Come on, buddy. Let's go. You can do it.
Really?
All right, Brett, running through the snow. Go for it.
You're not filming me doing laps in our backyard.
Okay.
I can show you how deep the snow is over here, though. You want to see that?
Yeah, let's see that, Brett. Go for it.
It's a lot of snow, people.
Brett's a tall lady.